action more virtuous after the obligatory acts and seeking knowledge. Meaning that the best action after the obligations of Islam, learning salah, zakat, sawm and all that, is seeking knowledge. The best action. So, Al-Asma'i, another scholar who died in the year 216, he said, أول العلم الصمت والثاني حسن الاستماع والثالث جودة الحفظ والرابع احتواء العلم والخامس إذاعته ونشره. He said that the first step of seeking knowledge is observing silence. The second step is attentive listening. The third is good memorization. The fourth is preserving that knowledge or safeguarding that knowledge. And the fifth is spreading and disseminating it. So this is what Allah Asma'i said with regards to seeking knowledge. So, al-ilmu ibadatu. Knowledge is an act of ibadah. It is an act of ibadah of the heart and lips. Nothing destroys knowledge like showing off and the goal of fame and reputation. By saying, I have learned this or I have memorized.